I want everybody who is challenging us and challenging the DCI and DPP and the criminal justice system to explain to me, if you invade a police station and burn it and steal guns and burn police lines and their houses, and you beat police officer, you burn courts, you burn administration units, you burn vehicles, you burn people's businesses. What is the crime? What is that crime if it's not terrorism? What is the definition of terrorism? If you establish a criminal gang whose business is to invade people's businesses, if you finance some people to carry machetes, crude weapons, petrol bombs, to destroy people's property and government installations, what is that called? It's called terrorism. Some people think that terrorists do not wear suit. Some people think terrorists do not live in upmarkets. They think terrorists only wako kwa border huko Boni, wanafikiria wako huko Mandera, wako huko Marsabit ama huko Turkana. Hawajui kwamba citizens of this republic who are organizing criminals in the name of protests and demonstrations and picketing are also paying these people to cause havoc and burn people's properties and government installations. They think that those are protesters. They are not. Those are terrorists. And we will charge you for the crime that you have committed.